Woodworking can be a messy hobby, so it's important to have a good apron to protect your clothes from sawdust, glue, and other hazards. But with so many different aprons on the market, it can be tough to know which one is right for you. In this video, we'll be reviewing each apron in detail, so you can make an informed decision about which one is best for you. So if you're ready to find the best apron for woodworking, stick around for the rest of the video. Number 1. ecoZen Lifestyle Woodworking Apron. The apron is made from heavy-duty waxed canvas, which is resistant to tears, punctures, and abrasions. It's also water-resistant, so you won't have to worry about getting soaked if you spill something. It has adjustable straps and a crossback design that distributes the weight evenly across your shoulders. The apron has a variety of pockets to store all of your tools and supplies. Number 2. FIGHTECH Heavy Duty Woodworking Apron. This apron is built to last. It's crafted from rugged 16-ounce waxed canvas, making it water-resistant and incredibly sturdy. With a whopping 11 pockets, you can carry everything you need. There are chest pockets for pens and your phone, a handy hammer loop, deep kangaroo pockets, and even a leather safety glasses strap. This apron features fully adjustable padded shoulder straps with a crossback designed to distribute weight evenly. Number 3. Briteree Fall Weighty 09171 Woodworking Apron. The apron is made from high-quality waxed canvas, which is durable and water-resistant. It also has double stitching for extra strength. The apron has 9 functional storage pockets of different sizes. The apron also has a handy magnetic patch for holding bits, nails, and screws. The apron has a waistband with a snap-fit design that makes it quick and easy to wear. Number 4. Hudson Durable Goods HDG 901W Woodworking Apron. It's a symbol of quality craftsmanship that's synonymous with American products. It's designed with you, the woodworking enthusiast or professional, in mind. It's designed for all-day comfort with a size that fits most, recommended for anyone 5 feet 2 inch or taller. The HDG 901W is loaded with pockets and loops. There are dust flaps to protect your large, easy-access tools and accessories pockets in front, which can even fit a carpenter's square. Number 5. RUVANTI Unisex Woodworking Aprons. This apron is constructed with cotton-enriched durable fabric. It's not just durable but also washable, fade-proof, and resistant to wrinkles and shrinkage. The RUVANTI apron comes with an adjustable neck strap and ties, extending up to 28 inches in length. There are 2 large front pockets for your tools, 2 kangaroo-style pockets to keep towels handy, and an upper pocket for your cell phone and pen. Number 6. GIDABRAND GDAP001 Woodworking Apron. One of the standout features of the GIDABRAND GDAP001 apron is its versatility. It's adjustable to fit up to a 50-inch waist, and the removable shoulder pads ensure that it's comfortable for extended wear. It features large tool pockets measuring 8 inches by 7 inches, complete with flaps and strong loops for hammers. It's crafted from heavy-use 16-ounce waxed canvas, making it not only solid and durable but also water-resistant. Thanks for watching our video on the best aprons for woodworking. We hope this video has helped you find the perfect apron for your needs. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below in the comments section. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more woodworking tips and projects.